Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Chain Breaker by Zach Williams. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started playing through the song.
You've been walking the same old road for miles and miles. You've been hearing the same old voice tell the same old lies. If you're trying to fill the same old holes inside, there's a better life. There's a better life. If you've got pain, he's a pain taker. If you feel lost, he's a way maker. If you need freedom or saving, he's a prison shaking savior. If you've got chains, he's a chain breaker. We've all searched for the light of day in the dead of night. We've all found ourselves worn out from the same old fight. We've all run the things we know just ain't right. There's a better life. There's a better life. If you got pain, he's a pain taker. If you feel lost, he's a way maker. If you need freedom or saving, he's a prison shaking savior. If you got chains, he's a chain breaker. If you believe it, if you receive it, if you can feel it, somebody testify. If you can feel it, if you receive it, if you can feel it, somebody testify. If you got pain, he's a pain taker. If you feel lost, he's a way maker. If you need freedom or saving, he's a prison shaking savior. If you got chains, he's a chain breaker. If you need freedom or saving, he's a prison shaking savior. If you got chains, he's a chain breaker.
Alright, so for this song we're going to be using 4 chords for the C chord family, but I'm going to be playing with my capo on the 2nd fret. So that's going to put me in the key of D, even though I'm using the C chord family chords. So we're going to be starting with the C chord, which is going to look like this, and I want to make sure to start my strumming on the A string for this chord and avoid playing that low E string. And then from here I'm going to be playing an A minor 7 chord, and this may be the easiest transition in the world. All we're going to do is remove our 3rd finger, and that's it. So we're going from C to A minor 7, just like that. And for this chord as well, I want to start my strumming on the A string and avoid playing that low E string. And then from here I'm going to go to the G chord, and to get there I'm going to put my 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then put my 3rd finger back down, but this time on the low E string on the 3rd fret. I can get rid of that 1st finger, I'm not going to use it, and I'm going to put my 3rd finger down on the high E string on the 3rd fret, and that's my G chord. And then from here we're going to play an F over C. And I'm going to use this variation because it's a lot easier to play in the C chord family. So this is my F over C. I've got my first finger on the first fret of the B string, second finger, second fret of the G string, and then third and fourth are on the third fret of the A and D string. And for this chord as well, I want to start my strumming on the A string and avoid playing that low E string. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a super simple 4-beat strum pattern. If you want to learn more about this driving pattern in more detail, you can check out my free 3-step guide by clicking up there. In that 3-step guide, I'll teach you how to play this driving pattern in more detail, as well as a couple of other super simple patterns to get started with, and a bunch of handful of chords for beginners to learn as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.